ITCA, IMS, Module 4, IMS Tools and Technologies. Welcome back to ITCA Information Management Systems course. So far, we've explored what IMS is, its core components, and how information flows through the system. If you missed Module 3, go check it out first. It's where we broke down the entire information management lifecycle. Today in Module 4, IMS Tools and Technologies, we're looking at the actual tools that make IMS possible. Because here's the truth, an information management system is only as powerful as the technology behind it. Let's dive right in. Lesson 4.1, Databases and Data Warehouses. Let's start with the foundation, databases. A database is basically a digital filing system, an organized collection of data that you can store, manage, and retrieve whenever you need it. Relational databases, RDBMS, like MySQL or Oracle, use tables with rows and columns. Think of it like a super organized spreadsheet. Non-relational databases, NoSQL, like MongoDB, handle unstructured data. Perfect for things like social media posts or sensor data. We use databases for storing student records, customer details, transaction logs, you name it. Most websites, apps, and enterprise systems run on them. Now, here's the twist. Data warehouses are different. While databases handle day-to-day operations, data warehouses are built for analysis and insights. A retail company, for example, might collect sales data from stores, online orders, and marketing campaigns, then bring it all into a warehouse to analyze customer behavior. So remember this, databases equals operations, data warehouses equals analytics and big picture insights. Quick thought, can you name a database or warehouse tool you've used or heard about? Drop it in the comments. Lesson 4.2, Document Management Systems, DMS. Next up, Document Management Systems, or DMS. Every organization deals with a mountain of documents, contracts, reports, proposals, policies. A DMS keeps all of that organized, secure, and easy to find. Key features include centralized storage, version control so you always know who edited what, searchable files, access permissions for security. For example, law firms use DMS tools like Microsoft SharePoint or DocuWare to store contracts, so multiple lawyers can collaborate securely without losing track of changes. Lesson 4.3, Knowledge Management Systems, KMS. Now, let's talk about knowledge management systems. While DMS focuses on documents, a KMS focuses on knowledge. It captures, organizes, and shares what the organization knows, from training manuals to troubleshooting guides. It usually includes knowledge repositories like wikis and FAQs, collaboration tools for team discussions, analytics tools to identify gaps and improve learning. Examples include Confluence, Notion, and Google Workspace. A good use case? Tech support teams store troubleshooting guides in a KMS so staff can solve customer issues faster without reinventing the wheel every time. Lesson 4.4, Enterprise Content Management, ECM Tools. Finally, we have Enterprise Content Management, or ECM tools. These tools manage all types of organizational content in one place: documents, emails, videos, even scanned files. The main functions are capture, scanning and digitizing physical records; manage, organizing everything logically; store, keeping it secure for compliance purposes; deliver, making it accessible through web portals or dashboards. Popular ECM tools include IBM FileNet, Laserfiche, and M-Files. They're especially useful for organizations that must comply with strict regulations, reduce paper costs, and speed up information retrieval. Let's recap Module 4. Databases handle day-to-day transactions. Data warehouses support analytics and decision-making. DMS organizes documents. KMS shares knowledge. ECM tools manage everything: documents, videos, emails in one place. Quick questions for you. What's the main difference between a database and a data warehouse? Can you name 2 examples of document management systems? Which tool would be best for managing videos, emails, and scanned files all in one system? Drop your answers in the comments. Let's see what you got. That's a wrap for Module 4, IMS Tools and Technologies. In the next module, we'll explore IMS implementation and best practices, how to actually put all these tools and concepts into action in the real world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. See you in Module 5 on ITCA Information Management Systems.